Got the aluminum, and then it looks like they have some kind of insulated cardboard, 2x2s. We're just going over to Recreation World here, check on the trailer. I got a call that they started the roof, so we'll go have a quick look at it, see how it looks with the roofing material torn off. Alright, good morning everybody. You can see from the snow we're still deep in winter here. Over 3 feet of snow out here. I'm just at Recreation World here in Thunder Bay. Gonna check up on my trailer. Had to get it sent in to get a new roof on it. Had some damage done to it last year, so getting a whole new roof. They have a pretty good lineup now. They actually have some Forest Rivers here, same ones as or same brand as I have. So we go in and take a look, see what's going on. Alright, we're just here in the back of Recreation World shop. They've got everything torn off. As you can see, the awning's off. Torn off all the way around. A little bit of roof left there to peel back. And all the parts. Dometic air conditioner and the fans and the hoods, and this is the old roof. So that's the material glued down. Alright, here's a view that you don't normally see of the trailers. You see part of the old roof over there. OSB, still sticky. That's the radio playing in the background. I don't own the rights to any of that music. That's looking into the camper. They got the interior skylights and they have an exterior skylight. We're gonna get a new roof. Got the aluminum, and then it looks like they have some kind of insulated cardboard, 2x2s, and OSB. Looks like 7/16. Alright, we're just outside in the display area. All kinds of, any kind of parts you want. They have everything here. And they now have the Grey Wolf. Got a Grey Wolf Limited here. Gonna go have a little look at this one, I'm curious. They got a couple of Grey Wolves in here. They got a pup too. They also carry the Catalina, which is similar. This one is the 20 RDSE. And doesn't look like we can go inside. It's sold. So, cool little unit. There we go. There's the front queen size bedroom. Very similar to our toy hauler. It's just not a toy hauler. This is the 2019. Kind of got the blue grayish stripe. Look in the back here. You can see in there, it's got the dinette in the back, and layout is quite similar to ours. We also have the Grey Wolf pup. It's sold. Oh, they're selling quick this year. This one's got the fiberglass exterior on it. And, the trimless windows. Catalina is open. We should go in there. SBX. Got a full pull-through storage. Got the bunks in the back. Washroom. It's got an exterior door for the washroom too. You don't have to track through the trailer. Nice looking front. Nice looking unit. And it's dark in here, but got a queen bed in the front. Nice. And that's what I'm going to need to get. One of those. I've had really good service with Recreation World. Really happy. Friendly. Help you out. And they pretty much have everything that I look for. Alright, there's the finished look. Alright, now if winter would only go away, we could go camping. Alright, so next time I come back here, hopefully the snow will have melted. So, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.